Hey everyone, so I wanted to give you guys an update of this app named Field Agent, and just to show you guys my progress and everything I've been doing. So lately I've been doing like the buy and try type things, the buy, try, and share, where you purchase an item and answer some questions. They reimburse you for the product that you purchased, and they pay you for actually doing the review. And then there's like audits where you just go in and take pictures of things and answer some questions, and they pay you. I haven't done a mystery shopping or anything like that, but yeah, those are the things I do. And the ratings and review, I will do that if I find a good one that's paying good. But I want to show you guys what I've earned so far, and I've only had this app for 4 days. Well, I've had it before in the past, but I just started using it 4 days ago. So this is my current balance, what I have right here. I can cash it out, and it will get to me within 48 hours, but I'm just going to let it build up. But this is what I've earned. And I have some referral pay. And referral pay, you can get up to $10 per person. So you get 10% of whatever they complete. So for instance, if someone completes a task that's $5 that you referred, you're going to get 50 cents, up to $10 worth. So that's pretty cool. And then so I have some still in review that I just did today. And yesterday, so I'm waiting for those to come through. And so far, nothing has been denied. Thank you. But if you guys haven't done so already, click the link in my bio so you can download this app. It's a great way to earn a little extra cash. See you guys in the next video.